Hello everyone, welcome back to GadgetVerse. Today we're reviewing the DREAME carpet cleaner machine with steam, hot and cold water modes, a versatile upholstery and carpet cleaning machine designed for homes with pets, kids, and everyday messes. If you need one machine that can deep clean carpets, sanitize surfaces, refresh upholstery, and remove stubborn stains, this cleaner offers multiple cleaning modes with powerful suction. The first major highlight is the steam and hot and cold water cleaning system. Most portable carpet cleaners only spray room temperature water, but this DREAME machine gives you more flexibility. Steam can help loosen grime and refresh surfaces, hot water can improve stain removal, and cold water works well for routine maintenance or delicate fabrics. This makes it useful for many different cleaning tasks around the home. Another strong feature is the 18 kPa powerful suction, which helps pull dirty water, loosen debris, and moisture out of carpets and upholstery. Strong suction matters because it reduces drying time and helps prevent leftover dampness. Whether you're cleaning rugs, couches, stairs, mattresses, or vehicle interiors, strong extraction can make a noticeable difference. For pet owners, the included Pet Pro Cleaner tools are a huge advantage. Pet accidents, odors, fur, muddy paws, and food messes can be difficult to remove using standard household tools. This machine is built to target those common pet-related cleaning challenges more effectively. The portable design means you can move it room to room or bring it outside for car detailing. It works well on fabric seats, floor mats, trunk liners, and upholstery surfaces. Instead of paying for frequent detailing or professional spot cleaning, you can handle messes whenever they happen. This machine is ideal for recent spills, drink stains, tracked in dirt, sofa marks, pet accidents, and refreshing older fabrics. Steam mode may also help with odor reduction and surface freshness. Always test delicate materials first and follow the manufacturer's fabric guidance. If you want a multifunction cleaner with steam sanitation, hot and cold water options, and strong suction in one package, the DREAME carpet cleaner machine is a smart all-in-one choice for modern homes. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, check the link below to buy now, and don't forget to subscribe to GadgetVerse for more smart product reviews every day.